Have you ever wondered how mathematicians turn an infinite list of numbers into a single, manageable equation? We are about to discover the power of formal power series. In mathematics, an ordinary generating function is simply a representation where we take an infinite sequence of numbers and make them the coefficients of a formal power series. Instead of writing out endless, terms like GO plus GOX plus G2X squared, we use a shorthand summation notation to define this series compactly and efficiently. A crucial detail is that x acts as a placeholder rather than a variable with a specific value, allowing us to treat the series as a formal object for algebraic manipulation. The real magic happens when we multiply two of these series. This operation allows us to represent the convolution of two sequences as just a simple product. These techniques are not new mysteries. They are merely clever restatements and applications of standard algebra and calculus concepts you already know. Whether counting eggs in baskets or solving complex recurrence relations, ordinary generating functions provide a powerful closed-form expression for abstract number sequences. So you see, these functions turn infinite lists into elegant algebraic tools. What other mathematical concepts should we break down? Let us know in the comments.